Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at QNT over here, right from September 2018. And we have what's called a leading diagonal. Notice how the waves are overlapping here. And basically it prints a rising wedge-like formation, and all of the market participants, or most of the market participants who get in over here and then witness this pattern, they think that it's going to go ahead and crash and make a new low, right? Because the normal mind thinks that this is just a rising wedge and then it's just going to go ahead and make a new low. But what it does instead is it gets saved at the Fibonacci supports. So this would be confirming your leading diagonal. So this is what's called a leading diagonal because it's marking the start of your trend. Waves overlap in the first wave, come down into ABC for the second wave for your bear trap. And then this third wave came all the way up towards the 1.618 extension, I believe. So if we take a fib and we measure this third wave over here, you see we actually came up to the 1.236. Okay, so you can see that this third wave extended perfectly at the 1.236, and we had our top in 2021. You see how we just wicked towards it, and we had no closure above it. Okay, so if you just use the Fibonacci targets on Quant, you would have been able to nail the top right on the day. Okay, so after this bear trap came in, we had another 5-wave move up for your wave 1, 3 down for your 2, 5 up for your 3 in A, B, C in a flat pattern, and then a very explosive and steep 5th wave. Okay, so that would be your 5 waves in your wave 3. Then you come down in an ABC correction from 2021 to June 2022. And then we start for our 4th wave, and then we start our 5th wave. 5 up in your 1, and then a bullish descending broadening wedge in the form of Wyckoff reaccumulation. And look how we bottomed out here at the 786. So if we take a fib from this low over here, back in June 2022 up to this high in October 2022, we perfectly double tap this 786. So if we go over here and we take a look at QNT, you see how we perfectly came down to the 786 right over here? Absolutely no closure below it on the weekly time frame. You see, we just double tapped it. Okay, so and kind of looks like CRV, right? See, with CRV, you have a falling wedge-like structure, and any price action below the wedge would be considered your manipulation. So this is all accumulation over here, and then you have manipulation before you have expansion to the upside. This would be the power of 3. And this is one of my favorite setups to trade. And it actually made us some really good gains in the Discord back when Link was bottoming out. Now, before I take a look at Link and show you the similarities, I want to show you the similarities to that of CRV. So now with CRV, you see how we were kind of in a broadening wedge formation, just like this, and then all of this price action over here would be considered your manipulation, right? You have your accumulation, your manipulation before you have expansion to the upside. We can even take a look at Link, for example. Like, let's go to Link here. You see? This over here is your accumulation. This move under the range was your manipulation before you had expansion. So accumulation, manipulation, expansion, backtest, continuation. Okay, so now we see the same thing with Quant, right? Let's go back to Quant here on the CoinTrader Pro chart. I do expect a 3rd wave to the upside, likely coming to around 525 to 782. Okay, so around the 5 to 700 region, you should be laddering out some of your bag, not financial advice. anticipate a correction, maybe 23.6 to 38.2% of the way down, and then go in for that fifth and final wave to around 1700. Okay, so going forward, what quant bulls would want to see is for number one, this low to hold here. This low to hold here. You see we have our left foot, right foot, and then your head. And now we're printing the tail of our dragon. So this is a bullish dragon pattern with a break above and a back test of this trend line as support. So kind of like a bump and run pattern. You guys see that? So we want to see these lows hold, and we want to see a move back above the 70.2 to 78.6% fib here. Okay, so all you got to do, come to your chart, just take a fib from the high back in March down to the low. And if we get above 107 to 117, then we can say for sure this over here is our bottom, right? That's my rule. Get above the 702, 786, then we can get that. Then we have more confluence of our bullish bias. Okay, when we even take a look here at the MACD. So let's take a look at the MACD here. And you guys see that on the 3-day, we're turning up towards the zero line. And it does look bullish, right? Look at the weekly over here. It just crossed upwards. Histogram turning positive, right? So the engines are definitely getting started here for Quant. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you guys want to stay updated with Quant along with the small time frame, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.